Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are making this fruit cupcake. You can see how soft and succulent it is. You can take your tea with this or you can take it as snacks. So guys, let's see how we bake this. Let's start to bake. So guys, for our fruit cupcake, we'll be using flour. We have 200 grams of flour here. We have sugar, 200 grams of sugar. We have butter, 2 grams of butter. When you are baking your cake, the measurement for the flour, for the butter, and for the sugar is supposed to be the same measurement. Then we'll be using 2 eggs. We're using cinnamon, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We're using half teaspoon of baking powder. Then a teaspoon of vanilla. Then, of course, our fruits soaked in rum or orange. Then we'll be needing lemon zest, which is the back of the lemon. So in your mixing bowl, you add your butter. You can always use your hand for this if you don't have a mixer. Then after adding your mixer, you now add in the sugar. Then you now start mixing until it is white and fluffy. But you can use your hand for this in one-way direction with your spatula. That is if you don't have a whisking machine like this. Keep on whisking until it is almost white and so fluffy. Then the sugar would have melted. After whisking for some time, you put off the machine, get your spatula, then scrape everything, then continue whisking so that all the parts will be so okay. You can see the butter is changing color from that dark yellow to a bit lighter yellow. So when scraped, you continue the whisking. Guys, you can see the color is changing from that dark yellow to a lighter yellow, and it's becoming so fluffy. Someone might ask me, how long does it take? It depends on your mixer. You can do this between 20 and 30 minutes. But if you're using your hand, it will take a longer time for you to get this consistency. So this is what we have now. You can see it has doubled in size. So at this point, I'm going to crack in an egg because we'll be cracking the egg one after the other. When you are cracking your egg, take it easy so you don't pour the shell. So that is one egg. So cracking the second egg. Then continue. So I'll now scrape You can see how fluffy it's looking. I've added the 2 eggs. So I'll add in vanilla. So at this point, I'll start adding the flour gradually. You don't have to add the flour at once. You have to add it bit by bit. You can see how fluffy it's looking. So now I'll add in the baking powder. Then I'll add in the cinnamon so everything can blend. So now I'll add in the cinnamon. Then I'll add in the remaining flour. You can see how it's looking. It's looking so fluffy. So at this point, I'll get in the lemon to add in the lemon zest. So this is the lemon, and this is my small grater. You can use a bigger grater. So you now start rubbing the lemon in so that the back can fall into your bowl, and that is your lemon zest. So now I'll now use my spatula to scrape the body. You can see how fluffy it looks. So at this point now, we are done. I will now use my spatula to do the remaining. So guys, you can see the mixture. You can see what we have. It's not too thick and it's not runny. So at this moment, I'll bring in the fruits. So this is the fruit. Before you add in your fruit to your cake, you have to sprinkle it with some flour so that it doesn't stick together. Just adding some flour like I'm doing. Rub it in very well. Then at this point, you can now pour it into the batter and then you mix very well. Just mix like so, and your fruit cake is almost ready. While doing this, the oven is already on to be preheated. Just rub it in gently. So guys, you can see this is the baking tray and our baking sheet. This is where we are going to put the batter. So guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. Please subscribe and follow me. Thank you so very much. So with your spoon or your ice cream scooper, You can now put them inside the cupcake papers. And so guys, this is what we have. So this will be baking for 20 to 30 minutes. You know it is baked when you place a skewer in and it comes out dry. So I'll place them in the oven now and let it start baking. And guys, after 30 minutes in the oven, this is what we have. Our fruit cupcake. Allow it to get cold before you touch it. If not, it won't solidify. So this is our rich fruit cake. Guys, please share this video, keep liking, follow me and subscribe. Thank you for watching till this moment, and I will see you in our next. Bye bye.